This is 24th morning, and the time is around 10 a.m. We can see that Bank Nifty has opened in a very good gap down of about 200 points, and it tried to move down below 43,700, but 43,700 acted as a very good support, and from there we could see Bank Nifty has moved up by almost 200 points. I'll show you my orders now. If you can see, I these are some positions that I have carried forward and I have squared off. So that I'll discuss in a detailed video in the coming days. So looking at Bank Nifty, I have taken 900 quantities of 44,000 CE of 1st June expiry at 286, and I have booked almost 23 points in the first half an hour of the market. So we can see that Bank Nifty is now trading around 43,900, and looking at the open interest, we can see that 43,800 had a huge call over build up around 9:45 time. We can see, sorry, 9:30 time. We can see that call over was high, but looking at 10 a.m. we can see that put has more build up now, and the traders are expecting the asset to move further up from there. Even though 43,900 has call over build up more, we can see a clear upward movement at 43,900 in Bank Nifty. But again, I feel that there can be a good movement we can expect. That is, I'm looking at 43,900 PE of May last expiry, and it looks good between 130 and 140. Yes, probably between 130 and 140, so that from this level we can go for a buy, and the minimum stop loss can be of 15 to 20 points, that is 500 rupees per lot. So I believe if Bank Nifty is not reaching this range, then we can go for a buy from here, but the safest buy should be between 130 and 140. I won't be taking this trade because I've already made around 20,500 today, which I'll show you as a screenshot, because I don't want to give you a panic showing my whole big trade that I've taken. So we can see that. So this is the idea that I have right now. So looking at the levels, we can see that 43,974 can act as a very good resistance in intraday, or if this candle is engulfing and is going below this trend line which has been respected in the previous days, then we can expect Bank Nifty to come down further to 43,850. Then if that is broken, 43,795, then day's low, which is also a few days previous low, and also if that is broken, then we can expect Bank Nifty to move down to 43,600, and if that's broken, then again 43,400, 43,300, and 43,000. And since 95% of gaps gets filled in between, there is a gap that has to be filled between 42,700 and 800. Hopefully if Bank Nifty covers that gap, then Bank Nifty will gain more momentum to fly towards the upside. So this is the view for the day. So in the second half, we'll see and we'll update what has happened with the market, and also we'll be putting a complete analysis for Thursday, that is the expiry. So exactly as I have mentioned, Bank Nifty has taken a reversal from 140 precisely. It's touched at 140 without taking the stop losses, and it has moved up to 168, which is almost 19 points. So even if you still keep the position, I would feel that it is going to come down. But again, since you can see that there has been a good green candle which has already covered the previous red candle, I feel this is going to go up in this manner. I think this is going to break this low, touch 43,974, and might give a reversal is what I expect. So this is the view for the day, and also if there is a higher high which is being made in the next half an hour, we can see a further upward movement till 44,000 maybe, and from there we'll expect a downward movement. So now 15 points is well and good in Bank Nifty. If you had 10 lots, you could have made 150 points, which is really cool. So for now, this is a view. You can hold the positions or you can do it accordingly, but I wanted to post it in Instagram, but I'm going back to Bangalore and my schedule is like really tight today. So I won't be able to post anything live. So if I have a strong view about something, then I'll definitely post the signals in Instagram as stories. You can follow our Instagram page, and also probably I'll post it in YouTube community as well. So yeah, this is my view, and also let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. Ideally, it should come down, but let's wait and see what is going to happen, because impulsiveness does not help in the market. So the major fall that has been anticipated on touching the all-time high or consolidating around the region of all-time high has finally happened today. I wouldn't say that it is a major fall or something, but what we can see here is yesterday market has touched 44,100, to be precise 44,096, and from there market started moving down to 43,700, and from there it moved up to 43,950 again after touching or after leaving a double top at 43,974, which has been discussed yesterday and also in the previous days. In yesterday's video we have clearly mentioned that only after breaking down below 43,975, that's when we can expect a downward movement in the market. So we can see that market has taken a resistance at 43,975, and from there market has moved down, closing below 43,800, and now I think it's the 3 p.m. ka push, which we can see that market has come down to 43,651, which is below day before yesterday's low. So we can see that only when this range is broken, that is between 43,545 to 610, if that range is broken is where we can expect a further downfall in the market, and I am expecting that this can happen. And if that happens, we will see Bank Nifty moving down to 43,450, and that's broken, then 43,000, and then to 42,700, where a slight gap is still left to be filled. So this is the view for the day. You can so going for the upside, we can see that if tomorrow, if Bank Nifty is breaking above 43,800, we can expect a move till 43,950 to 975. If market is going down, then we can expect a downfall till 43,600 to 43,550, and if that is broken, then 43,400. So yeah, please keep all these levels as a reference for your trades, and you can take your calls accordingly. And also, we are not SEBI registered analyst, and these are completely for educational purposes only. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We'll be coming up with so many amazing videos in the future, and also we'll be starting a complete stock market series in a very simple way in the next 2 months. So please stay tuned to that as well. Also, we have a 3-month stock market training course from absolute beginning to advanced option. So if you would like to know about that, we have mentioned that in the description, so you can go to the link and get to know more about the course as well. So thanks for watching the video again. Bye.